am excited about this. I'm just a little nervous about actually pulling off the whole bumper, but I watched some videos. It seems pretty easy, so we're gonna get into it. But I am gonna pull this out really quick, show you guys what it looks like outside of all this packaging. And this is what the splitter looks like outside of the packaging. Definitely a good looking design, and I just made a quick video talking about the splitter, guys, and I was saying I don't know what's up with this design on here, and I don't even know if I like it. It's the plastic that's the design on the splitter, so I'm really happy about that. I wanted a just clean black splitter, so that's really good. But this is what it looks like, guys. It's time to test fit it, see what it looks like. Dogs are checking it out. They're approving. So we're gonna check it out, see what it looks like on the Type R. Before we actually start taking it apart, we wanna make sure that it fits and it looks good. So let's get out in the garage and start test fitting it. So here's a really quick, rough test fit of what it will somewhat look like. I just threw some boxes underneath it really quick just to see around about what it would fit like. And here's another look at the test fitted splitter with a little bit more light in here. I am actually liking it. It looks great. So we're gonna pop the hood right now. From what I've seen online, there are somewhere around 21 clips up here at the top that I have to take out. I think you can take this out. I'm probably just gonna flip it over, I don't know. And then all of these clips as well. So there are a lot of clips in here, as well as the eyebrows. You gotta pop the eyebrows off of the headlight too. So I'm gonna take all of those off. I'll let you guys know if there's anything else you need to know. Then we'll move to the side. There's 2 screws on each side. I believe they're Phillips. There's one right there and one right there. And then I believe there are 4 10mm at the bottom of the bumper and some clips down there as well. I'm gonna have to move the splitter and back up the car to get all of those out. Okay, so all the clips are pretty easy. The ones on the top up here, I believe, used a flathead screwdriver. You need one to get that one out. All the rest, I just used this little clip remover and just popped them out. Most of them came out intact. A couple of them did crack, or a tooth broke off of them or whatever. Now on these, on the eyelid, these are actually popped into the eyelid for the seal right here. You just come up here with this clip remover, pop it in there, try to get it from the back. It seemed like it helped, and just wedge it, pop it off this one as well. And these just come right off. So that wasn't too difficult, but those were just the clips. So yeah, definitely a lot of clips versus the old Civic. I remember my 95 EJ1 Civic, I would literally pop the bumper off all the time. This is a lot more work. It's doable. It's not like too crazy, but definitely not easy like the old Civics. Also, I did think I could probably leave that in there because it wasn't connected to this. It looks like this clip connects to the metal back here. Gonna have to pop that one off as well. Looks like all of these are all done. I did just flip this plastic up here so I didn't have to remove any of the rubber seals. Now I'm going to work on getting these Phillips screws out and then all of the stuff at the bottom. Now that those are out from the sides of the bumper, okay, I believe I got all of the clips down here. So what I did was I got all of the clips across right here, and then they go all the way along back here. They go all the way back here, and then there are 3 up here as well. I think 3 that are up here, but there are clips that go all the way along back here, along this piece right here that connects to the plastic right here. So what I did was I just took all of those out, as well as the 10mm on both sides. And then for the eyelid, you have to use a flathead screwdriver and just pop it in there, push down, and you'll hear the eyelid unclip. Basically, we'll just go clink, clink when you put the screwdriver in there, and this will just loosen up. And you'll feel the eyelid pop up when it's unclipped. So that was pretty tedious, not gonna lie. It wasn't the easiest thing, but it definitely wasn't like super difficult. So I did have to jack up the car. One thing to mention, I jacked the car up just to get to those clips. I wasn't under the car, but I was able to see under the bumper a lot better to get those clips out. So next, I believe all I have to do is pop the clips right here and pull the bumper off. Let's try it. I don't want to flex my canards too much because they are double-sided taped with BHB double-sided 3M tape. So let's try to get this bumper off right now. Whew. That was scary. My canards are holding on there though. Ooh, I think I see a clip that broke. That is so annoying. I have so many clips breaking. Ooh, wow. That is scary. All right, so we got the bumper off. One thing to mention, as you're taking it off, make sure that you unplug the fog lights. So there is a bit of wire, but you definitely don't want to yank on it wondering why it's not coming off. Unplug both sides. So I did do this by myself. One thing that did help me is my headlight eyelid was still connected on one side, so the bumper wasn't even trying to fall off. Once I figured out that it was actually stuck in there, I unplugged it. The bumper just wanted to fly off. This bumper's pretty heavy, so make sure you're careful with it because it will just want to just slide right off. So yeah, there we go, guys. It's off. It's time to actually start installing the splitter. So I also forgot to mention that there are 2 Allen wrenches. I forgot where. I think it was like right here on both sides of the bottom of the bumper. You're gonna see that. I mean, I just thought I would mention it, but somewhere down here in the middle-ish to the side, there is 1 Allen key bolt that you need to take out. So what I wanted to mention was that on the website, it actually has generic instructions for every car to install this type of splitter. But what I'm really excited about is it looks like all you have to do is take off these clips because all of these seem to be matching perfect. So it did say on the website that you need drill bits, but it looks like look right here. This goes right here. This goes right here. This one goes right here. There is an extra one that's right here. I might need to drill. But it looks like for the most part, all of the holes are already here. So I'm assuming all I have to do is pop out all of these clips and throw in the hardware. So that's going to make it a lot easier and a lot less guesswork for me, which is awesome. All right, finally got all the clips out. Cut my hand on the easiest one, of course. But it does look like all of these line up perfectly. It looks like I might have to make a new one right here. I will have to check and see if there are any more holes. But for the most part, guys, looks like all of them line up, which is going to make this job a lot easier. But it is time to start installing this, put the hardware in. Should be pretty easy, so let's go. Okay, so my battery died. I apologize. I wanted to show you guys all of the steps. Basically, I put all of the bolts and hardware in, washer on this side, washer on the other side, nut on the inside of the bumper. The Allen wrench bolts are on the outside, and it is looking really good. So I did have to drill a hole right here as well as the corners, and I do recommend at least drilling these in if you guys can, because the corner did seem to move a lot before that hardware was in on both sides. But as you guys can see, it looks great. You do also have to tighten these up, but I did tighten that up, as well as all of the hardware. Like I said, drill in the holes, and basically all of the holes were lining up and worked great. Really happy about that, guys. This is what it looks like. Let me show you guys from the front. This thing is bad. I love how it looks. I'm really, really happy with the outcome. I want to see it on the car, and I cannot wait to see what it looks like out driving around. All right, and after all of that work's done, it is looking great. Check it out, guys. Looks so good. One thing to mention is that there is a protective little plastic layer on the DEVSPORT. You might want to take that off before tightening this little badge up, but it looks great and it looks a lot better without all of that plastic on it. Also, this thing is a fingerprint magnet. Before you go hit a car meet or something, you're gonna want to wipe this thing off if you've touched it, because check that out. There are fingerprints everywhere. Gonna have to wipe it down, but I am really liking it. It looks great. It looks super aggressive. This is what the sides look like. Definitely a good look. Really aggressive, really pops out a lot. I know it's going to look aggressive and it's going to look really good, and also it's functional. It's a functional aero piece. It's going to help if you're hitting the track, and it's really going to help at high speeds. So this thing looks amazing. I love it. Big shout out to my wife for getting me this. That was really nice of her, and the fit and finish on this thing is great. And I really love that all of the holes matched up to the stock clip holes on the bumper, and hopefully it lasts a long time. So yeah, I'm liking it, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I believe this was like $270 or something. It was probably close to $300 after taxes. I will link it in the description if you guys want to get one for yourselves, but it definitely does complement the front end, make it look a lot more aggressive. And I don't know, I couldn't even imagine going back to stock now. It just looks so good and so aggressive. Can't wait to see it out in public. I'll show you guys in a future video, something short, or like YouTube short or something, just to show you guys what it looks like out in public, just driving around at a parking lot or something. But I am really liking it, guys. Engine bay looks great. All of the mods in there. Got the canards and that beautiful DEVSPORT splitter. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. It helps me out a lot, and it helps me to make more content for you guys about the Honda Civic Type R and Hondas in general. And I will see you guys on the next video.